Direct-to-garment, or DTG printing, is one of the most advanced methods for printing high-quality designs directly onto fabric. Step 1. Garment preparation. The process begins with preparing the garment. A clean, wrinkle-free cotton t-shirt is placed on the printer platen to ensure proper ink bonding. A pre-treatment solution is evenly applied. Step 2. Pre-treatment curing. Next, the garment is heat-pressed. This removes moisture and flattens the fibers, creating a smooth surface for printing. Step 3. Printing process. Now comes the core of DTG printing. The printer head moves rapidly across the fabric, applying ink with extreme precision. Step 4. Ink absorption detail. As the ink is applied, it bonds directly with the fabric fibers. This results in a soft feel, unlike traditional printing methods. Step 5. Final curing. After printing, the garment goes through a final curing process using a heat press or conveyor dryer. This step permanently fixes the ink. Step 6. Final reveal. The finished product is a vibrant, high-resolution print with excellent detail and color accuracy. DTG printing is ideal for custom designs.
With its precision and flexibility, DTG has become a key technology in modern textile printing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.